This video shows you how to sign up for the 90-day free trial of OpenText Information Management API services. To begin, head to the developer website at developer.opentext.com and click on Sign in the top right corner. Sign in using your developer user ID and password. On the welcome page, look for the free 90-day trial for information management services and click on Learn More. This will take you to the plan selection page. Here you will click on Sign up for the free trial. First, you will create an organizational account by providing a name for your organization, selecting a region, and entering a brief description. Submitting this information will start your 90-day free trial. You will now be prompted to write down the IMS service password and download the organization config file. By default, your developer account user ID is now your administrator ID for your organization. The IMS service password is the password for this admin user of this organization. We advise that you keep these credentials in a safe place where you can easily access them at a later time. The next step is to create your first cloud app that will give you access to the APIs. Select the Go to Console button to continue. You will now enter the Admin Center. Here is where you will be able to manage all the different elements of your setup in the OpenText Cloud Platform or OCP. In order to create your first cloud app, click on the Apps option on the left-hand side. On the following screen, click on New App button. This will take you through the steps of creating your first cloud app and provide you the authentication credentials to access our APIs. First, create a new standalone app. Next, enter a name for your app, a version number, and a brief description. In the Tenant drop-down, select Tenant 1. Tenant represents a data container, allowing you to isolate data from another container or tenant. The free trial comes with a single tenant, which is created for you by default. Click Save to continue. On the next screen, use the Copy All option to capture all the information shown on the screen. Store this app-level information with the information you previously captured for your organization. Click Close to return to the Admin Center. The final step is to obtain the credentials for your tenant. Click on the left arrow in the top right corner of the page to return to the organization in the Admin Center. Here, click on the Tenants option on the left-hand side. Now click on the tenant name, which in this case is Tenant 1. Copy the tenant ID using the Copy option on the page and save it with the organization and app credentials you had captured previously. Next, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. You will notice that your default tenant user ID is also the same as your developer and your organization user ID. Click on Reset Tenant Password to set the password for your tenant admin user. On the next screen, enter your user ID and click the Reset button. An email will be sent to your email address to reset the password. Click on the Reset Password link in your email. Next, enter a new password for your tenant admin user. Once complete, you can close the screen and return to the Admin Center. You are now all set to start using the Information Management API services. To make the API calls, you will require your tenant and app credentials that were created during this trial signup. Thank you for watching this video.